Hey everyone, welcome back to Turbo Trendz TV, your one-stop destination for the hottest car reviews, latest releases, and in-depth auto insights. Today, we're diving into one of the most stylish and city-savvy compact SUVs of the year, the 2026 Lexus UX. If you're hunting for a premium crossover that blends luxury with agility, then stay tuned, because Lexus might just have created your next dream ride. Exterior. Let's start with the visuals. The 2026 Lexus UX comes refreshed with subtle but impactful changes that modernize its already bold design. From the front, you're greeted by Lexus's signature spindle grille, now more refined and integrated into the bodywork with a sleeker mesh pattern that enhances the sporty appeal. The grille is flanked by sharply angled LED headlights that have been restyled to look even more aggressive. These units now feature adaptive lighting technology, giving the UX not only a futuristic look but added functionality for nighttime driving. The daytime running lights draw a striking L shape, echoing Lexus's commitment to bold lighting signatures. The sculpted front bumper adds a more dynamic feel with larger air intakes and a new lower valance that emphasizes the car's width and stance. Moving to the side profile, the UX maintains its athletic proportions, but with a few refined elements that elevate its road presence. The new alloy wheel designs, available in 18 and 19 inches, bring a fresh aesthetic with intricately machined patterns and a two-tone finish. The wheel arches remain prominently flared, giving the vehicle a muscular, ready-for-anything appearance. The roofline gently tapers toward the rear, enhancing aerodynamics without sacrificing rear headroom. Lexus has also added a couple of new paint options for 2026, including an eye-catching copper blaze and a muted moonlight silver, which beautifully complement the UX's modern curves. Blacked-out mirror caps and gloss black window surrounds add a sporty vibe, especially on the F-Sport trim, which really leans into performance styling. As we swing around to the rear, the 2026 UX stays loyal to its iconic design but polishes the look with a new continuous LED light bar that stretches across the width of the hatch. The taillights now appear slimmer and more aggressive, with improved clarity and light diffusion. The Lexus badge at the center is now replaced by spaced-out Lexus lettering, a branding trend that continues across the lineup for a more upscale feel. The rear bumper is redesigned with more angular inserts and a revised lower diffuser that ties in better with the front design language. Even the rear wiper has been tucked under the spoiler for a cleaner overall look, showing Lexus's attention to detail. Interior. Step inside the 2026 UX, and you'll immediately notice that Lexus continues to prioritize craftsmanship and comfort in the compact luxury segment. The interior feels premium yet inviting, with soft-touch materials everywhere you look. The dash now features a new 12.3-inch touchscreen as standard across most trims, running the updated Lexus interface system, a huge improvement over the outgoing infotainment setup. It's quicker, more intuitive, and now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The physical touchpad is officially gone, and we're not complaining. The center console has been slightly reworked for better ergonomics, and there's now a wireless charging pad with improved positioning. The climate controls are still physical, which many drivers will appreciate. Seating remains comfortable and supportive, with power adjustment and heating standard even on the base model. Higher trims add ventilated seats and leather upholstery with stylish contrast stitching. The F-Sport model gets exclusive bolstered seats, aluminum pedals, and a perforated leather steering wheel for a more engaging driving feel. In terms of space, while the UX still leans toward the smaller end of the SUV spectrum, it cleverly maximizes every inch. Rear passengers get ample legroom for a subcompact, and the cargo area is sufficient for everyday use, especially if you're not hauling massive loads. With the rear seats folded, it becomes surprisingly practical. And let's not forget the optional Mark Levinson premium audio system, A13 speakers of pure sonic luxury that elevate every drive. Performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Lexus UX continues to offer a choice of powertrains, but with a greater emphasis on electrification. The UX 200 remains as the base model, featuring a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing 169 horsepower, mated to a smooth CVT. While it's not the fastest in its class, It delivers consistent and refined performance for daily driving. But the real standout is the UX 300 hours, the hybrid variant that has been significantly re-engineered for 2026. It now delivers a combined 196 horsepower. Thanks to its revised hybrid system and more powerful electric motors, acceleration is improved, now hitting 0 to 60 in just under 8 seconds, quicker than before and more competitive in its segment. Fuel economy also gets a boost, with Lexus claiming up to 43 miles per gallon combined. That's a huge win for urban drivers looking for efficiency without giving up luxury. Handling is where the UX shines. It's built on the Gauzy platform, which ensures a low center of gravity and excellent chassis rigidity. The F-Sport trim benefits further from a sport-tuned suspension, paddle shifters, and adaptive variable dampers that respond to road conditions in real time. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or zipping down a winding road, the UX feels composed, confident, and surprisingly fun to drive for a small SUV. In terms of tech and safety, the 2026 UX comes loaded with the latest Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, which includes pre-collision warning with pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, road sign recognition, and a new proactive driving assist that can automatically adjust speed and distance when approaching curves or slower traffic. There's also an available 360-degree camera, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert, making tight parking and busy intersections much less stressful. So what about the pricing? The 2026 Lexus UX starts at around $36,500 for the UX 200, with the hybrid UX 300 hours coming in at approximately $39,000. If you opt for the F-Sport design or F-Sport handling trims, expect prices to climb into the low to mid $40,000s. With its standard features, build quality, and brand prestige, the UX offers solid value in the luxury compact crossover segment, and with its focus on efficiency, tech, and urban usability, it continues to appeal to younger buyers and city dwellers who want a premium experience in a more compact footprint. To wrap things up, the 2026 Lexus UX might not be the most powerful or the most spacious SUV out there, but it wasn't designed to be. It's a luxury urban crossover that blends stylish design, smart tech, and Lexus reliability into a well-rounded package. With its sharper design, upgraded interior, and improved hybrid performance, the UX proves that you don't have to go big to get premium. If you're shopping in the entry luxury SUV space and value fuel economy, craftsmanship, and a sophisticated ride, the 2026 UX definitely deserves a spot on your short list. Thanks for riding along with us here at Turbo Trends TV. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2026 Lexus UX, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more weekly car content, and ring that bell so you never miss a drop. Got questions or want to see this model go head-to-head with another competitor? Drop it in the comments. Say we read every one. Until next time, drive safe, stay sharp, and keep it locked right here on Turbo Trends.